Better, if you don't get into NEET IIT, does life becomes a failure? Hey brother, listen for a second. In every street, every city, NEET, JEE, IIT, that's the only background music played everywhere. Feels like if you don't enter IIT, life itself ends before the interval. Huge buildings, shining billboards, NEET, JEE, IIT, everywhere. Full cinematic setup. AC classrooms, walls covered with toppers, photos, expressions. Like the student didn't study, he directly launched from NASA. NEET rank is ours, JEE toppers is ours, IIT selection is ours. Man, looking at the posters, it feels like even three idiot ranchos studied here. Then the counselor says, just join our institute. IIT guaranteed. You'll crack JEE. NEET will be easy. And softly in the background, all is well. Meanwhile, parents like circuit from Munna Bhai walking around full of tension. Someone selling land, someone breaking gold jewelry, just holding one dream. My son should enter IIT. My daughter should become a doctor. But now comes the real twist. Do you know what many places do? They first grab the students who are already brilliant. The kid who already scored 95% in the 10th standard, the one already running like Bahubali in studies, they put him in their batch. Then his IIT rank on banners. He, his NEET result across the city. His JEE score on giant posters. And below it, one bold line, result of our hard work. Come on, brother. The fire was already inside the child, right? They just added a little air, pushing a student who is already a rocket towards IIT is easy. But taking a scared child, an average child, a confused child, and telling him, hey, you can do it too. That's the real teacher's job. But the story doesn't end there, brother. The scene after the exams gets even heavier. Somewhere there is a neat paper leak, somewhere cheating scandals, somewhere results come out and darkness enters a student's eyes. A child who studied day and night for years on result day suddenly feels like life is over. Some students who were toppers, who were their family's dream, break under pressure. The news simply says students suicide. But behind that one line are sleepless nights, unfinished dreams, and parents drowning in silent tears. And listen, brother, suppose they clear NEET, suppose they become doctors, then what? One day, doctors on duty gets beaten. Another day, junior doctors are attacked. Some women doctors don't even feel safe during night duty. Someone's anger, someone's political pressure, someone else's broken system, and in the middle of all this, the person wearing the white coat get crushed. So the solution is not just NEET, JEE, IIT ranks, brother. The real solution is hospitals must become safe. Doctors need protections. Mental health must matter. Humanity should also become part of education. And think about this too. If every child only runs behind NEET, JEE, then who will question the system itself? Who will speak against NEET scams? Who will stop paper leaks? Who will enter the system and change the policies? Who will sit in power and fix things? Some children becoming doctor is important, but some children entering the system is also important. Someone must become a collector, someone a judge, someone a journalist, someone a leader who shakes the system. Because, brother, not every battle is won with a stethoscope. Some battles are won with law, courage, and power too. This is not a movie, brother, where every ending becomes happy. Not every child becomes 3D rancho. Some silently keep fighting themselves. That's why NEET, JEE, IIT are important. But a child's life is even more important. A low rank doesn't end life. Not getting IIT does not make someone small. Becoming a doctor or engineer is wonderful. But before everything else, a child deserves to stay alive, happy, and mentally strong. Because real education is the one that teaches not just how to study, but also to how to live. Thank you.